Hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh yeah. Look right in here. Yep. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. I like that. Okay. That's cool. I like that. That's cool. Yeah.
Wait, Taz.
Huh?
Wait. Let's go.
It's supposed to be cold. Well, I don't know what you. I literally told you I don't know what you expect, but I like how this is though. Oh yeah, I like this. Oh, is it gonna splat? There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm having fun now.
Why is it so fun?
I don't know, cause you get to be messy. I think being messy is just fun in general. Cause you don't get to do it every day.
Right, okay.
There we go. I like this better than what I was thinking. You wanna be crazy bloody?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like, I wanna have a lot of
You wanna have like a lot of blood, right? You wanna be able to play in it?
Yeah.
Whew, all right.
Oh, Taz, but like, I already have these cute.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm just going with what you said, because you told me.
All right, but watch the hair.
I'm not getting the hair. I'm not getting the hair. I'm not getting the hair.